Okay, so it says find the coordinates of the point plotted below if the point is reflected. So now we're talking about reflections, like a mirror, across the x-axis. So where's the x-axis? Well, I think you guys know this right here. Let me use the tool. This right here is the x-axis, right? So if you're going to reflect across the x-axis, where are you going to go? Right down here. Oops. Does that make sense what just happened there? There's a reflection across the x-axis. So in other words, it goes over the x-axis and it goes straight. See how it went straight? See how this went straight? Like that? And it went the same distance to the other side. See how this is 3? Whoops. This is 3 and this is 3. It went 3 straight to the line, the x-axis, and went 3 to the other side. So a reflection, just like a mirror reflection, always goes straight at the line and then goes the same distance to the other side. So what's the coordinates of that point? That is over 1 down 3, isn't it? Over 1 down 3. That's the coordinates of the new point after it was reflected across the x-axis. Now, the next part, they want us to reflect across the y-axis. So let's try that. So here, let me get that set up. So here's the y-axis, of course. Y-axis. So we're going to reflect across the y. Where's it going to go? Can you see it? It's going to go right there, isn't it? Right there, like that. So that's a reflect across the y-axis. So again, see how it went straight? It went straight at the y-axis, same distance. It just takes it 1 to get there and 1 on the other side, huh? So it goes straight at the y-axis, same distance to the other side, 1 and 1. So what's the coordinates of that point? That looks like it's back 1, up 3, isn't it? Back 1, up 3. All right, final question. They want us to reflect across the origin. Where's the origin? Well, origin's right in the middle. So how do you reflect across the origin? Well, you basically, again, you go straight at the origin, same distance to the other side. Can you tell where that's going to go? It's a little tricky. Like that. You see that right there? You go right here. Whoops. Change the tool. It's going to go right there. See how that's straight at the origin, same distance to the other side. That's what reflection always does. When you reflect across a line or reflect across a point, you go straight at that line or straight at that point, same distance other side. It's exactly what a mirror does. You know, when you get closer to a mirror, it looks like your image gets closer. When you back up from a mirror, it looks like your image is backing up, right? That's what a reflection does. Straight at the thing, at the mirror, same distance to the other side. So how did I find that point exactly? Well, you could just count. It's down 3 over 1. So then I just did that again, down 3 over 1. Same distance other side. Down 3, again, down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1. That makes sense? So what are the coordinates of that point? Looks like it's back 1, down 3. Back 1, down 3 is the coordinates of that new point reflected across the origin. There we go.